In the last video I changed the fan on my ASI 2600mm camera, and during the disassembly of my gear in my observatory I recognized a sound from the filter wheel which I haven't heard before. It was searching for the correct slots, but it didn't find it. So the sound was like the motor was spinning, but the wheel wasn't. So I disassembled my filter wheel. I noticed that the O-ring between the motor shaft and the filter wheel was worn down. So I contacted Starlight Xpress and they were good enough to send me a couple of O-rings. And this is how I changed it. So I attached the new O-ring, the motor and the filter wheel. It's looking right now as it performs as it has been the last 8 years of mine. I can't distress enough how satisfied I am with the Starlight Xpress filter wheel, and I could also happily recommend the products from Starlight Xpress to anyone out there. This video was the second of the 3 videos I will release this summer. The third video is how I clean my mirror once again, but with a twist this time. I stumbled upon a guide from Astro system Austria, how they recommend to clean their mirrors, and we will take a look at that in the next video. Take care out there. Bye.